So the meaning of regression testing is, see, just an example. Regression testing can be done in two ways. It can be done in two scenarios. First scenario, when tester raised the defect, here. First build 1 is released. You have start testing. We found some defects. So prepare defect report and send it to developer. Developer will rectifying and they released the next build to the testing department. I'm talking about regression testing. When next build is released, as a tester, you have start testing the application. Audio is lost. Hello? Sorry,
Yes,
team.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
No.
Now you can hear me, right?
Yes, Vidya.
Radha,
Yes.
Subha?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So when second build is released with clarification. Now as a tester, what you are doing, the meaning of regression testing I'm telling. You are checking the defect functionality first and remaining all next. One more time, login, agent name is working fine or not. Remaining all one more time, you are rechecking it. That process is called regression testing. That process is called regression testing. What is regression testing means? See, when tester raise the defects, prepare defect report, send to developer. Developer rectified and releases the next build to the testing department. Now tester is checking the defect functionality and remaining all functionalities one more time. That process of testing, we are calling it as a regression testing. This is the scenario 1. Now coming to the scenario 2. Same step. Tester raised the defect, sent to developer. Now developer is rectifying. While rectifications are going on, client coming to the organization and client asked one new feature to be provided. That new feature is help button. Help button. Now tester is checking. So that new feature, we didn't get any information as a tester. We didn't get any information. Now tester is checking defect functionality. Password OK button is rectified or not. And remaining all except this new feature. Because this is the mistake, defect we found. We didn't get any change request. Client has given a request directly to the developer and that information we didn't get it. We thought it is a mistake and we raised the concern. So this is known as regression testing. This is called regression testing. Both of you unmute and talk to me. Having any doubts here? Simple point here. All at a time, first defect functionality and remaining all checking. If any new feature is given, except new feature, remaining all you are testing. That process of testing is called regression testing.
So,
Got it?
is that include two types? No.
Two ways.
Two ways. Okay.
In two different approaches as a tester you need to perform.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Fine. Now security testing. Just 2 seconds, team.
Okay.
Now let's see. What is security testing? Hi, Aman.
Hi, Vidya. Sorry I'm late.
Yeah, no problem. The meaning of security testing means, see, here, this is your server where your all projects are located in server side. Companies, all projects are located, stored in server. So these are known as a firewalls. So here, this person is authorized person. Authorized person means he is having a valid username and password. So based on this information, here he will enter into the server side. Firewalls will get opens and you can access the server. This person is unauthorized person. He is trying to enter into the server. Firewalls will block this person. Why? Because this person don't have the valid credentials. So here this person is known as a hacker. Hacker. Hacker job is what? They're trying to block the projects. That is a hacker job. So unauthorized person, when trying to enter into the server side, firewalls will block this person. So whether these firewalls are working fine or not, this process of testing, we are calling it as a security testing. This process of testing, what we are calling means, we are calling it as a security. Whether authorized persons are accessing the server or not, we are checking. That checking is nothing but a complete domain at database admin department is going to perform this task. That is only known as security testing. Okay. So, and last type of testing is ad hoc testing. What is ad hoc testing means? Let's see. You have written the test cases. So this is your test case format. You have written the test cases. Once you return the test cases, like Radha and Subha has written the test cases, and you people are waiting for the build. Once the build is ready, I'm releasing this build to you people. Now what Radha will do is, Radha will execute positive test cases first. Next, negative test cases. This is Radha's style. And what Subha will do, once she return the test cases, Subha will execute negative test cases first. Then she will work with the positive. Like this, tester is gonna test the application in their own style once the application is released. That process of testing, we are calling it as a ad hoc testing. What is ad hoc testing means? Tester is testing the application in their own style once the application is ready. That is called ad hoc testing. If you're having any doubts, you can ask me. Yes, Steve. Having any doubts?
No, I'm fine.
Fine. With this, we have ended up our class of testing. Okay. Now automation testing we need to start. Yeah, Aman, is it software is ready in your system?
No, I just have received a message from my provider that after the session they will try to install.
Okay. Is that files got downloaded?
Which files?
Are they sent some rare files?
No, I haven't received any email.
Oh, okay.
I just emailed them the day you asked us like to do so. I sent a reminder email as well. But just now I received a text on Skype that they want to install. Then I asked him. Then after the session, I will be with them.
Okay, okay, that's fine. Subha, what about you? They will do it today, right?
Yeah, it's still installing the process going on.
Okay. Mukta is also same. So Radha, for them, for you, they will do it later, right?
Maybe, yeah, yes. You come down.
Yeah. So we already done with our class. Now I need to start with automation testing. First class is important, but our friend is not there.
Can you please
Mukta
repeat
is
a
not.
little bit this session, Vidya, if you have time?
Just one topic you missed because I have waited for you people. I didn't started anything.
Oh, thank you.
Only one testing you missed, regression testing. Regression testing means here as a tester you got the build one to you. Regression testing can be done in two scenarios. Scenario one, when tester raise the defects, send to the developer. Developer is rectifying and they release the next build to the testing department. As a tester, you are checking defect functionality and remaining all one more time you are checking. That process is called regression testing. Defect you are checking and remaining all one more time you are checking. That is called regression testing. And next one is when tester raise the defects, second scenario. Tester raise the defects sent to developer. Developer is rectifying. While rectification is going on, client is coming to the organization and client is asking for new feature called help button. Developer placed it and they rectified the problems. But tester, we didn't get this help button information. So we are checking defect functionality and remaining all we are checking except this new feature. Remaining all except this new feature because we didn't get any information. We thought this is a defect. So this is called regression testing, the one which you missed out. Only from here we started. This is long back only we did.
So how these testing will be performed?
Sorry?
The process of testing, the process of testing will be the same that, as we do earlier?
Yes. Same. But again and again when you are checking, that is called regression testing. One defect is raised, remaining all also you are checking. That process is called regression testing. Got it?
Okay.
Fine. So Radha, Subha, where you are in manual testing? Like writing test cases or
I'm
releasing the
sorry?
bill? Where you are
Oh
in
yeah,
manual testing?
I just need to send you the defect profile.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just working on that. I think there are so many defects are
Yeah,
there.
so many defects.
23,
Yes.
23 defects. Yeah, 23 to
Max,
24.
max, all are defects.
Yeah,
Complete
max all
software.
are defects. Yes. I
Wantedly I
think.
made a mistake,
Yeah,
sorry.
yes, I thought that. Yeah, so that it will be a practice for us. So I'm working on that. I'll send you by tonight, maybe. Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Subha, what about you?
I I just started to writing the test cases now.
Okay, no issues.
Yeah. I am watching
Um,
your video from the first itself. Yeah. I forgot
okay,
everything and again I am watching your test cases and I am writing.
okay, that's good. You can see my sample template also. That will be helpful.
Okay.
I think already I released it.
Yes.
Aman, where you are in manual?
Like I have to like do the data before,
Tested data, yes.
yeah, test data. I couldn't get any time to do that.
Oh, okay. I think just now you came from office, I think
Yeah,
so,
I
right?
just even I just, I am sitting with my shoes. I
Oh,
didn't
I'm sorry.
took
You
off.
can, I mean to say, you can have a short break. No problem.
It's okay. Like we have half an hour, so after half an hour I'll do.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I think Mukta is ready now.
So we don't have softwares in our systems. Are we going to start the automation?
Yeah, just theory, interaction. 15 minutes class I will take.
Okay.
Okay, for that no problem. Yeah, hi Mukta. Software is,
Hi Vidya.
yes Mukta. Is your software is ready?
Yeah, I just finished it, so I don't know if I missed anything before this.
Just two types of tests you miss. Discuss later, no issues. Okay. I didn't started anything here. Now I'm starting.
Okay.
Okay, let's start with automation testing. What, and you can get the recording from our friends. They will check it out. And if you're having any doubts, you can ask me. No problem.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's see. Let's start with automation introduction part. Everyone is ready? And
Yeah.
you can click on start recording. Basically, there are two ways of testing. You know very well. One is manual testing and second one is automation testing. Let's see what is manual testing. Just now we finished our manual testing. So it is a way of testing in which tester will perform all the phases of STLC, like test plan, then test development, then test execution, then result analysis, bug tracking, and reporting are accomplished manually, that too successfully with the tester efforts. This is your manual oriented work. Okay, this is your manual oriented work. So in this some drawbacks are there. Drawbacks. So what are all those drawbacks means? Here one is you can make mute by your end please. One is more number of people are required. More number of testers. Testers are required. And it is a time taking process. We can calling it as a time consuming or time taking process. And we can also make a mistakes. That is called tester mistakes. No accuracy means tester mistakes. And in this, we may not perform. We may not perform same task again and again in a perfect manner. See, for this I will give you some example. These three you know very well. Means for testing more number of testers are required. Manual testing means more are required. And it is a time taking process. Again and again you are testing. And mistakes. Tester is also make a mistakes. These are all the drawbacks. And we may not perform same task means for this let's have one example first. Here you are preparing tea manually. If you prepare tea manually, what you will do? You will mix up some ml of milk, sugar, water, you will boil it. Finally, you will get a tea. The tea taste today, I got 60%. I have given a ratio called 60%. Tomorrow also I prepared tea manually. But exact taste, I didn't get it. It may increases, it may decreases. Possibilities I'm telling. And day after tomorrow also I'm doing the same thing. I may not get the perfect result. As first day I got the taste. Same taste, I will not get it. So, why I'm not getting? Because I did manually. Changes will be occurs. So this, I can feel it is one drawback. To overcome this, tea machine is introduced in the market. Tea machine. If you click green button, you will get a tea. If you click red button, you will get a coffee. Today percentage called 50%. Tomorrow also, you're clicking the same button, same taste, you will get it. Right? It never miss it. So, this is called missionary job. Tea machine. This is manual work and this is automation work. Tea machine will give the perfect result here. So this is automation. So that is the reason we may not perform in manual testing same again and again. To overcome this problem, automation is introduced in the market. So what is automation testing? Let's discuss. Before that, is this point is clear? All of you.
Yes.
It is clear.
Good. Now let's see. What is automation? What is automation? So it is the process in which all the drawbacks of manual testing are addressed properly and provides speed and accuracy to the existing testing process. See, my dear team, automation is the extension of manual testing. Got it? It's not like that because problems are there, manual is closed, automation is started. No, that is not the way. So, to increase the speed of the existing testing process, automation is introduced. Got it? It's not like that because of the drawbacks it is introduced. To overcome these drawbacks only automation is introduced. If you're having any doubts here, you can ask me.
Vidya, I have a
Yes.
question. So you might clear it later, but I just was curious that if we were to do automation testing, do we still need to do manual testing before this, or
Yes.
we don't have to?
Before this, yes, you have to do manual still. Even you got the
Okay.
job in automation. They have selected you in automation also. Directly, they never place you in automation testing. First, they will place you in manual. Once you stable with the project in manual, then they assign the automation process to you. That is the actual process. Base is manual. It's like pillars to construct the
Okay.
building.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, fine. Here also some minor drawbacks are there. What are all those drawbacks means? Tools are expensive, dear. But it is company will bear this one. And here complete project never moved into the automation. So cannot automate all project modules in automation. Because first the project has to be tested in manual Once it's got stable, then only automation is going to introduce. So to here one more way, or testing the software in another software. Testing the software in another software is called automation. Got it? Is this point is clear? I'll do one thing. QTP. I will save it with your yeah. So software and QTP is also automation testing means one tool is there. The tool is also one of the software. So we can call it as a testing the software in another software is called automation. Now let's see. Here this T machine is the machinery dear. This is the machine. Now here that is called tool. So automation testing tool. Automation testing tool. So this in this T machine, when you click green button, it will give coffee. When you click red button, it will give milk. Example. Green button, it will give tea. Red button, it will give coffee. If you click stop, machine will get stops. If you click on, it will get started. How it is working? Based on your instructions only, this machine is working. Right? Based on your instructions. So, in the same way, here also, let's see. This machine is your assistant. Based on your instructions, it is working. In the same way, automation is one tool. Any automation testing tool is an assistant of a tester dear. Automation tool. It can be QTP, Selenium, LoadRunner, WindRunner, all are tools. Tool means machinery. Automation tool is an assistant of test engineer. Test engineer, which works based on the instructions and information given by test engineer. Based on your instructions and information only, machine will works. So to work with any automation tool, some general framework you need to follow. To work with any automation. I didn't started anything about our class, just introduction part. In general information I'm giving. To work with any automation tool, some general framework you need to follow. So what is that means? Tester should learn how to give the
Is there any HP tool as well? Kind of HP tool or something?
yes HP tool only. In future you are going to learn. Okay, HP QTP, quick test professional. So tester should learn how to give the instructions and information in tool. You should know. And Tester should learn how to give the how to use its recording facility. And testers should learn how to use its playback facility. Playback means run facility. Then tester should learn how to use its result analysis. How to analyze the result. To work with any tool, these 4 steps are very, very important. With practically, we are going to learn these 4 steps in coming class with practically. Before that, let me know if you're having any doubts here. Having any doubts? Types of
Yeah, could you
automation.
please make it clear on the third point? Playback run facility.
Yeah, means example. First thing, this with one mobile I will explain you. Your mobile is there. You should know how to switch on, switch off, and you should know where to save the folder. One memory location you need to create. That is called instructions and information. Then one party is going on. Your daughter birthday party is going on. You should record it. With your mobile you are recording. Okay? How to record you should know. Then how to play back that party. What is once the party is done, after few days you will need to see the same party. So in your mobile it's got saved in somewhere else. How to play that party once you recorded it? That is called run. Playback, you're clicking on the option called play, right? If you want to see again and again, already which you saved in long back. If you want to see, you're clicking on the play button. That is called playback or a run. Finally, you think, yeah, everything is fine. Your feelings, that is the result. This is same thing. You're going to do it in automation process. Got it? With the practically we will do. This is a just example of your mobile. Got it?
Got it.
Fine. Now, types of automation testings. There are 3 types. There are 3 types of automation testing tools. One is functional testing tool. Like QTP, Windrunner, IBM tool. Separately IBM company will use. Silk is one tool.
We'll be
Selenium.
using all these tools while.
No. Only this tool we are using. This is outdated. This is only IBM company. This is only separate companies will do. So no need to learn all those things. Only we are learning QTP right now. Okay. These are all functional testing tools I'm telling. Okay. No need to learn. These are all different flavors to use the testing process. One tester never used all tools in single company. And single company will never use all these tools. Any one is used. So most popular tool is QTP. Nowadays everyone saying Selenium also, but there is a drawback of Selenium. Selenium will works only for web based, not for the Windows based, and it is a free tool, means security problem is there. So
But mostly companies are looking for Selenium
no,
nowadays.
no, automation is already there. They want knowledge of Selenium, but companies are maintaining in depth. I'm telling in reality, they are using QTP only because it is huge security is there comparing to Selenium. That too Selenium for will works for web based. What about Windows based? 80% of the companies are working with Windows based softwares, not with the web based. Then how it will be useful? So in reality, QTP is most popular. Selenium knowledge they are asking. Okay. Then management testing tool. That is called Quality Center. This we are going to learn. Then performance testing tool. This is called load runner. For this you require Java knowledge. So that too manual testing 25 testers. Automation like 8 to 10. So quality center is a combinations of manual as well as automation. For performance, 1 or 2 roles are required. Max 1 or 2 roles. So load performance of the software. Once the project is tested in functional and maintained in quality center to check the performance of the application. If 100 people are accessing, how it is responding. To check that process, this load runner is going to use it. Some companies, they are not even using this load runner. They're not even using this load runner. Just for your knowledge sake, how many testing tools are there in the market means 3. In that, we are going to learn with QTP. QTP, Quick Test Professional. The one software. Because in the class, I think 3 of the students' software is not ready. Only Mukta is done. So once your software is ready, maybe next class is on Thursday, right? Tomorrow no class, day after tomorrow, right?
Right, right.
Maybe within 2 days, you're getting a time off tomorrow. So maybe within this day, you're gonna install the software. So we are gonna discuss on Thursday.
I wanted to mention something to the whole team. You know, it takes forever. One day it took me the almost like whole day just to download it, and today they did the installation. So it takes time.
Oh, okay. Maybe that is a system response, not based on your system response or.
No, no, no. For installing, you know, they didn't really. First, they had to download 8 of them. Um,
Mhm.
8 of the downloading, I don't know, whatever the bullets, and then it took forever, and then 3 of them were like, you know, that megabyte was wrong, so they had to do it
Mukta,
again. So,
sorry
yeah,
Mukta, let me tell you one thing. Aman
yeah.
Radha's companies are different. Okay.
Okay.
Our
Okay. I just wanted to
uh,
know, like, you know, they shouldn't be waiting until the last moment because it was taken forever for me, and then, you know, finally they were
okay.
done. So,
Maybe their companies persons are different, Nadia. So let's see what's going
okay,
on. Okay. I think
okay.
Radha, Subha, and Aman is there. The 2 of the students are different, belongs to the different company. Let's see what's going on by their end. Because simply we can't judge it now. Are they working properly or not? Okay,
Mine is part
Okay.
3 is downloading.
fine. So, okay. So once it's done, you just inform them.
Okay.
So team, see you on Thursday. Once your software is done, Thursday class is there. Okay? Because software is not done, we can have a class, but for you it's a problem, no? So I want to check it out your systems, how it's got installed properly or not. I'm gonna check it out. So Max, try to install it. If it is not done, we'll wait for it. Don't worry. I didn't started anything. Okay?
Vidya, can I speak to you on Skype just for 2
Yes,
minutes?
yes. Yeah, sure. You come
Yeah,
to Skype. Okay,
thanks.
team. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.